Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's word of the week for week number 12 is going to be vitamin B. Now, the benefits of vitamin B are it improves memory, it helps with digestion, and it helps produce energy. Different foods that are rich in vitamin B are white beans, spinach, squash, mushrooms, green beans, and much, much more. So make sure you stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity for the day. And I'll see you soon. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 12 is going to be the following exercises. Number 1, cross jacks. Number 2, curtsy lunges. Number 3, sitting punches. And number 4, glute bridges. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so for Fast 5 workout number 12, here are the following exercises. 1, cross jack. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your feet shoulder width apart. You're going to start in this position. You will cross your feet and then open them back up. So it looks like this, okay? Kind of like our crisscrosses. While you do that, you're also going to cross your hands over and under each other. So it's going to look like this. Cross, 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 cross. Okay, those are called cross jacks. Then we got curtsy lunges. So you're going to start either on your left or your right side. I'm going to go and start on my left side. I'm going to step out, and then my back foot, or my left foot, is going to go behind my foot like this. Okay, so then same thing, side to side. So they're called curtsy lunges, okay? Kind of like you're just taking a bow. All right, so those are curtsy lunges. Then we got sitting punches. So we're going to go down to our bottoms. As we are in like a crunch-like position, we're going to come up, and we're going to punch across our body, okay? Sitting punches. And last but not least, we got glute bridges. You're going to put your hands down flat on the floor. You're going to bring your pelvic up towards the sky. Hands are flat, body's flat. You're going to go up and down, up and down. Okay, it's kind of like you're making a bridge with your body. So make sure you get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 12, and we'll get started in just a moment. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. So cross jacks. Again, cross your hands and feet at the same time. Okay, if you want to just go in the front, you can do that. I'm going to go forward and backwards with my feet crossing as well as my hands. Keep going for 30 seconds. The best you can. You need to step it out, you can do that as well. Alright. Get to those curtsy lunges, so step, bring that foot behind, and go down. Step and go down. Woo! Almost on that one. As you can see, I'm not perfect. I'm gonna make some errors, and that's okay. We're all human. We're all doing our best, right? Keep up the good work. Let's get ready for those sitting punches in just a moment. Keep up the good work, my friends. Just finished. All right, let's head on down. Sitting punches, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Come up and punch, punch, punch. Across your body. The higher you can get up, the better. Breathe through your nose out through your mouth. All right, let's go with those bridges. As they're flat on the floor, lift up. 1, 2, come down. 1, 2, come down. 1, 2, come down. 1, 2. Hold it up, tighten up your bottom, and go down. Just do the best you can. Okay, these are called glute bridges. And time. All right, 1 minute rest. All right, I'm gonna go and turn this a little bit better so you guys can see those glute bridges. Woo! That was a good one. All right, shake it off, shake it off. Get ready for round number 2. Round number 2. If you guys are enjoying these, make sure you guys drop a comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite exercise. What is challenging thus far. Just keep working hard, my friends. We're gonna get through this together. 36 seconds. Woo. Highly recommend you guys do this. Every day, every day. We almost have 2 weeks worth of Fast 5 workouts. It's pretty impressive. If you guys have done Fast 5 1 through 11, drop a comment below. Let me know how they're working out for you, okay? 10 seconds left, my friends. 10 seconds. Again, cross jacks. Start with those cross jacks. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Cross jacks. On my feet, my hands are crossing. I'm not stopping. If you need to stop quickly, that's okay. If you need to step it out, that's okay too. Just do your best. Go to the best of your abilities, my friends. All right, now let's curtsy, step, and go across, get under. You guys are playing on an amazing performance. That's how I remember it. If I'm thinking about the animal performance. Thank you, thank you. Great. Woo! Definitely filling that one out. We got those sitting push-ups, punches, all that. Those glute bridges, here we go. Push-up punches. Starting with 3, 2, 1, go. Up and punch. Try to go higher than you did the first time. Oh, that was a good one. Bridges, hands flat, let's go. Up, down, up, 1, 2, and down. So you're squeezing your bottoms up top. Home stretch, my friends, home stretch. Keep working hard, do your best. Don't give up, just finish. And time. All right, my friends. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. Here's a fist bump. Hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 12. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout. What was your most challenging exercise? What workouts you would like to see in future Fast 5 workouts? Please drop a comment down below. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Gobble, Gobble, Gobble. All right, so make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so for this activity, you're gonna need a few household items. Number 1, you're gonna need a hat, and I have some string attached to it. and you are going to create your own turkey, and the way you're going to do that is using your hands and a piece of paper. You can draw it out just like I did. This is how I created a little turkey. Put some tape and a water bottle. All right, so here's the setup for Gobble, Gobble, Gobble. Now I have, for level 1, I'm gonna have 3 of my turkeys that are wild running around, and then I'm gonna have my cat, and I'm gonna have to cast it out, and I'm gonna have to pull in my wild turkey to catch it. I'm gonna have 1 minute to try to get all of the 3 turkeys in. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. And as long as the turkey crosses the line, it is captured. Oh. Boom, 1. 2. Got 1 more left. And Mr. Garcia, do it. And time. All right, so I was only able to reel in 2 out of the 3. So
2, 1, go. Oh, good catch. Oh, you got the first one. First shot, nice. Oh! Grab that turkey, Jordan. Whoa! Don't worry about it. Sorry, hot. Nope. Good try. 40 seconds left. Remember, you gotta throw it like a frisbee. Casting it like a frisbee. Alright. That's 2. You have 1 left. Oh, pulled it. Oh, just missed it.
Ten seconds left. All right, so here we go. This is set up for level 2. Now, if you notice, I have 5 wild turkeys. Now, my goal this round is to try to catch all of my 5 turkeys the fastest. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and time myself. If you guys want to continue doing a 1-minute challenge, that is an option as well. But for the sake of this activity right now, level 2, I'm gonna have to see how quickly I can retrieve all 5 of my wild turkeys. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and Mr. Garcia will try level 2 in just a moment. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Boom, I got 1. Oh, can I get 2? Oh, I got 2. All right, got 3. Be sure to drop a comment below, cheer on Mr. Garcia. If you guys have an idea for a strategy, type it down in the comment section. Ah, so close. Oh, 4, last 1. Oh, just that way. Just gonna leave. And time. All right, so my time was 1 minute and 31 seconds. So if you guys can beat Mr. Garcia's time, try it out. Drop a comment below. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, we got 1. Oh, too hard. All right, that's cross. Alright, that's 3. 2 left. Oh, trying to distract you than I did. We'll see how it works. Oh, that's 4. Lost 1. And 5. Time 49 seconds. Wow. Jordan just won. Well, we really hope you enjoyed this game of Gobble, Gobble, Gobble. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
Please let me know in the comment section what you thought about the activity, what you used for your turkeys, and how you would modify it. And again, please don't forget to use our hashtag, the P.E Spot. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.